Good morning, guys. Spring Fling Day 3, the calm before the storm. So today we have a poker run, and I'll take you inside, show you a little bit behind the scenes of what goes on the morning of a poker run here. So let's go see what the girls are up to, because they're getting like swag bags and stuff all prepped and ready. But you just have to see Angie's process here. All right, so Mama has it all laid out on the couch. Let's go see what she's got. What you got going on, Mama? What you doing? Look at this, guys. Mama has swag bag stuff all laid out for the first few people that join the poker run today. So swag everywhere, and yeah, it should be a good day today. Are you ready? Are you ready for a poker run? We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, everybody's showing up for the Hog Wild poker run. They just keep pouring in here. Here we go. Pretty good showing for a poker run. What's up? Happy birthday! Just so you know, it's always his birthday. So when you see Rod, wish him a happy birthday. All right, so far we have 57 registered for the poker run. It's a pretty good number. People are all lined up. And then of course, you guys have seen the trophy for the worst hand. And it seems like everybody wants to have the worst hand today because of the crappy trophy, right? Let's go take a look. So of course we're giving everybody their poop today, but then here's the Mama's running the table, and here's the trophy for the worst hand.
Hey, did you pay for us?
I haven't paid for us. Did you pay for us?
No.
Why would I have to pay for us when you're here to pay for us? See how I get? Everything's on me. And we're off. We're headed to the first stop on this poker run. It's the Christmas one. We can't wait for sure. It is like a 110-mile poker run. All right. We are at our very first stop. It's Brew and Q. Brew and Q. Anyway, you guys have seen this in our videos before. Tom's Diner, I think it's also called. Old Tom's Diner. But anyway, you can see everybody has arrived. They're here getting their cards pulled. We just got here because, as you know, we're always the last to arrive, the last to leave. But yeah, let's go see if we can find some food and a card pull. Here we go.
And here's the man of the hour.
Oh, make me blush.
Last time we were here, we were dancing to the jukebox.
Right.
That was over there. And now you got a little diner.
Yeah, yeah.
Show me.
Nice. Come on.
There's the diner part. Sweet.
Yeah, it's
Good job.
a lot of fun.
What's your specialty?
Cake.
You got cake here?
Oh yeah, we make tons of cake.
What?
Yeah,
He's quite the baker. It sells out. It's
yeah.
Oh my gosh. So there you go.
But we do it all: burgers, brew buns, Philly Swiss, everything.
All right.
Yeah. Today we've got the barbecue brisket special.
There you go.
You guys
Okay.
ought to try that.
All right, stop number 1 is done. Had a little lunch. Imagine this, barbecue. We had a lot of barbecue this week. Anyway, next stop is 26 miles at Castaways. Here we go. number 3 is at Castaway's Pub, right over there in the corner. A bunch of our group is leaving out. Parts of the group's still here. Headed off to that next card stop. Let's go in and check it out, get a card pulled. All right, so here's the back patio of Castaways, which is where you want to sit and have a drink, maybe some food. Look at that view. It is a beautiful area. All right, we're here. The last card stop. It's Flat Creek. Let's go in and check it out. All right, so Flat Creek is the place with the giant cock out front. You guys have probably seen, we had Angie up on that a couple years ago. But anyway, let's go inside and check it out. Pretty happening place. Got your bar here. This is where we usually sit, if you're familiar with that. Got your TVs up here. Pool table back here. I don't know what Angie's doing over there, but I know that there are dollar bills signed by us up there from some of our adventures. And then they have like a dining room over on this side. So pretty cool place. The food is always awesome here. So come check it out if you're in this area. Alright, we're headed back to the switchback. Right an hour away. On this nice winding road. Should be a great ride. See you at the switchback. Alright guys, so we're back at the switchback. The music's blaring and bikes are all coming back in. Poker run is in. I don't know who's won, who's lost. Not sure it matters. But take a look at all the. There's Bert. The biker dog is in the house.
So what they say about your bike? So once I was 20 miles away, I did my own cooking. One day I ate out.
Look, it's Windroad telling stories. Just like fishing, it was this fucking big, I swear.
RV stories.
Parking lot is packed again today. You can see everybody up there hanging out. So, Spring Fling, BFE, BBB, the place to always be is Switchback. See everybody up there having a good time, enjoying, just chilling on the porch, bikes, beers, everything you could possibly need. We're always here, so come see us at Switchback at BFE. That's when we'll be back.
No, bitch, I'm taking in front of you.
7486. The last four, 7486. Anybody? 7486. Anybody in the back?
Somebody. What was that?
Mic drop.
All right. Next one. 7338. 7338. Come and get it. It's gonna 7338 right here, babe.
Pick one of those.
Yeah, I'll take it. Go next. 7519. 7519. There we go. Everybody's winners. Everybody here is a winner, but this guy in particular is a red ticket winner. 7461. 7461. Anybody? Come on. I know we're late. People gave up on me. 7461. Next. 7547. 7547. 7547. 4 winners. So whoever had the worst hand wins half. Whoever had the best hand wins half. With 59 hands, we had 10 high with a 9 and a 7 beat the 10 high with a 9 and an 8 for the low hand. Wow. And that is Sophia. I don't want to do your last name in front of everybody. It's going to be embarrassing to me. Where's Sophia?
Sophia's in the house!
So I think it's like Sophia Mon King Kong winning.
Woo!
So we always let the low hand get the biggest pile because it has the least amount of hundreds in it. So this is for you.
All right.
There you go.
Sophia, you also win the shittiest hand trophy.
There you go, the poop trophy.
You gotta turn around. You gotta turn around
so they can take
This poop is rock hard, and nobody wants that. I know you've all had a little bit of squishy shit in those little eggs you got. But you got a rock hard poop to take home today.
Congratulations.
So our high hand today goes to Jonathan.
Jonathan who?
I don't know, Jonathan 42. Where's Jonathan? Jonathan hates his last hand, but he likes to win poker hands. 3 7s. That's all it took to win today. Thank you all for playing. It's been a great time. Mr. Orange is playing until 7. Enjoy the music. Sonny's got a couple of announcements. I appreciate you being here for another awesome rally at Spring Fling. I haven't counted the chicks yet, but I think we might have had our biggest winning Spring Fling season to date, thanks to all of you. Sonny. Oh. It just felt so good in my hand.
All right, guys. So I'm used to talking at a camera and not on a microphone. All right, can everybody hear me now?
Yes.
All right, let's try this microphone thing. First off, guys, thank you so much for coming today. We really appreciate it. Thank you, all of you, for spreading the news about Support Bikers. Hopefully you guys all have your poo. If you don't yet, go see Angie. She'll get you a poo. The reason we're giving out poo is because unfortunately shit happens, and when it does, Support Bikers is there to help. So keep us in mind. Anybody you know that has an accident or has any issues going on in the biker community, we're here to support them. So the best thing you can do is help us spread the shit. Thank you guys for coming, and we will see you next year.
Thank you.
Yeah, you don't want that.
We should actually.
Oh! Mama's in the house!
This guy turns 50 on Thursday, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sonny. Happy birthday to you.
67 today.
There you go, babe.
Thank you. You're a shithead. A little bit of the band here. Well, a few of them went to the cat house for their normal cat house evening, but not us. We are done. We are toastitoed. We are gonna grab some food. I'm gonna edit this video and we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow's Sunday fun day, which is always a great time, and you guys can go with us. But until then, we'll see you tomorrow.